Alright, right now in China, in Guangzhou, they have a Pokemon trading card game official gym open up here at Grandview Mall. So Scotty and I are gonna go inside and check it out. And now they have these games coming up, like sports, Asia games or China games, Hong Kong, Macau for Southern China, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to go check out some Pokemon.
Some Pokemon.
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 See some cards hung up. Where do we gotta go for this? Okay, as we get to the second floor here, it's literally right over there. It says Pokemon TCG, and it is a weekday, so I feel like it won't be too busy. I mean, school does start next week, so people are still on summer holiday, but where is the entrance? Where can we see? Oh yeah, you can just walk right in. This is pretty cool. Let's have a look here. Now Pokemon is still pretty popular here, the cards especially. Not as popular as back home in Canada and America, but you can see they have packs. And the way they sell the packs is a little different. The sets aren't just like booster box or, you know, people playing. Oh, so it's mainly people playing. I guess they have a tournament going on. Are we allowed to walk in and look at the stuff to buy, or? You want the color? Over here, but I don't think you're just allowed to walk in and buy. You have to ask first. These girls both got the same stuff going on. See, I'm just confused about the boxes here. Like, I don't know what set is what. Like, this is an all leaf pack. I mean, it gives you the breakdown of the set.
So you just get some packs inside and then that's cool.
There's just binders and skins and stuff.
Why can't we do something? You gonna ask to buy them?
They'll come and grab it for you if you want to buy it, but like these are just like sleeves. Yeah, there's not much card-wise. I mean, you could probably get these. But like that doesn't look like a booster box to me. Like it's just the Chinese stuff is a little different than the American. I like the full art card they display, but like the picture.
This is Scarlet and Violet, I think.
I guess, but like is that supposed to be the Evolving Skies like Chinese set because they have the different EVs, or?
Why can't we go look?
I don't know, you asked them. Look at that carpet, like why would you, I don't know. Anyways, that seems to be it. It's nothing too crazy, but it's more of a tournament going on
like a tournament
where people playing, get their regional stuff entered, their points, stuff you do at a card shop back home. So that's like the card tournament area, but we realized there's an actual store on this side where they got plushes and stuff. So yeah, let's walk into the store and have a look at the store. Always people in the way. Oh, so we gotta walk all the way around again? On the weekend, this was loaded. I saw pictures.
Really?
Yeah. need to wait or something. I like the... Yeah.
Cash at the register.
Let's see how much it... There you go, you got packs all the way over here. 390 RMB for whatever that is. I can't even tell what that is. Oh, here's a Mew pack. I can tell it's a Mew.
Oh, it's like different scents.
Mew.
So you get 30 packs.
30 packs, yeah.
And each pack has 5.
5, that seems a little small. A little scary.
Oh, big Pikachu.
Too big. Chinese Pikachu. I mean, it's pretty interesting. It's nice to finally have a Pokemon store. I would hope or wish they'd open up a Nintendo store here in Guangzhou, but I mean, for branded merchandise instead of just buying like knockoffs and fake stuff on Taobao, this is nice to actually have. I mean, I really love the Pokemon world, and it will be something I look forward to my daughter indulging and enjoying herself. Right now I was like, oh, should I buy the Chinese Pikachu for her, or a surfing Pikachu, or any of these toys, but she's still a baby, so I'm gonna hold off, save the money until when she can decide and pick something out for herself. But yeah, it's nice to see, and I hope that this sticks around. I hope it's just not a pop-up, but I mean, you never know. So anyways, guys, that's the Pokemon store here in Guangzhou that just opened up recently in Grandview Mall. Until next time, take it easy.